everyone. Hello. Hi everyone, this is Sampada and welcome to my channel Scrappy Collections. So today I decided to do this video on my channel because it has been a while since I have done lucky draw on my channel, so I thought of doing it here. And before I start this video, I just want to say that I have lots of video on my channel where you can find inspiration on theme based albums and different kind of and different size of albums. There are some tutorials on card making and album making, so you can go through those videos, and I hope you get some inspiration over there. And I know you guys are very excited. I'm also very excited for doing this video. This is a lucky draw video for those who have joined Sweet Treat Bakery class album, and I am so thankful for for getting so much of love from you all guys, and thank you so much for giving such an overwhelming response for this class, and for those who have joined the class, for those who couldn't join but they were interested in joining this class. So thank you for joining, and thank you for being part of my journey, and I hope to give the best I can to you guys. And I have all these gifts in front of me and I'm very excited. So everything is packed and kept here, and I have made sure that I pack it because I wanted it to be a surprise for all of you, and I think surprises are best, so that is why. And I would really like to thank Shalini Di and Crafters Corner team for their continuous support, and for arranging the materials for me and sending it to me timely, and because in this COVID situation it's a little difficult with the delivery. So and for me there were not some materials, there were a lot of materials were there. So thank you so much for making sure I get it on time, and thank you so much for for granting all my requests, whether it is some special kind of packaging for some materials or for arranging the materials that have gone out of stock, because as you can see, there are a lot of these are just 40-50% of all the materials. I'll be making a separate video for showing and tempting you guys. And thank you so much to the Crafter Corner team, and thank you so much for giving your constant support to me. Okay, so I know you guys are very much excited. I am also very much excited, and you can see I have this bowl. So there are a lot of chits in here, so I have made sure that I get some nice big bowl from my kitchen. So I'll come to this point, but before that I have I have all the gifts kept here. So I have 6 gifts over here. 3 were for those who have joined and participated in share and win contest, and I was just putting the tags, so just one tag is left, so give me a moment. So 3 gifts are for share and win contest, and 3 for those who have who have registered for this class. And I'll be taking out 3 chits over here, as all the gifts are packed, but still I just want to show you. So this gift is for the first winner of share and win contest. So I'll just write down the name over here. The name is Rekha Agrawal. So they are already selected, they are already the winner of share and win contest. So the second gift is for Bhanupriya Patil, and the third gift is for Kanchan Shah. Okay, so 3 gifts are there, here and here. This is for those who have participated in share and win contest, and you won't believe guys, there were more than 10,000 15,000 shares on all the videos and pictures and promotions. And here I have 3 gifts. Oh god, this is so exciting. Okay, so I have 3 gifts over here. So as they all are packed, but still I just want to show it to you and tell you that what all is there kept inside. Okay, so I'll start with the third gift. Okay, so this is the third gift. It is a 12x12 of paper, and it's a beautiful paper, trust me. So this is the third gift for the lucky draw winner, this is the second gift. Okay, so this is the second gift. It is having card stocks in A4 size, 2 paper packs in 6x6 inch, not just one. It has 2 paper packs of 6x6 inch. It has 1 pack of flowers, 1 pack of embellishments, and some, you know, packets of pearls. All right, so this is the second gift for the lucky draw winner, and this is the third gift. All right, the big one, huge one. So this is the third gift. It has a 12x12 inch of paper pack. It has a 12x12 inch of black cardstock, 240 GSM. It has motif sheet of this coordinating paper pack. Okay, and it has a pack of coordinating flowers. It has a pack of embellishment. So this is all you're going to get in the first prize, and then the second is there and the third is there. All right, so I think we should get started with the lucky draw, and I'll just put the phone down so you can see the bowl as well. All right, okay, so I am not visible, but still okay. So okay, before I start, there's one more important thing which I want to mention, because last time I didn't mention it. Just a minute, I'll just set this. All right, okay, before I start this lucky draw, very important thing. If you got selected, suppose you are the first winner, okay, your chit will be discarded and you will not be part of the game. All right, and rest of the students will be part of this lucky draw. So this is the one and the only rule. Second thing is, it's not a rule, but I would like to request, please do not be sad if you don't win, because it is just for fun and it is just luck. Okay, there's nothing like a competition over here. It is just luck. So if you win, then it's very good. If you don't win, then it's just luck. Okay, so then just take it, you know, in a positive way. And what else? Yes, and because it is not possible for me to choose any of you specifically, so this is my way of, you know, selecting you guys for giving the gifts, because I love giving gifts, and this is how I think I should treat my students, you know, and this is my way of thanking you all. Okay, and yes, one more thing. Every student's name is there on this chit, so do not think that your name is not there on the chit. So you can see this, you know, big bowl over here, and there are a lot of chits in this. So I have made sure I picked the biggest bowl in my kitchen, and it should be presentable also at the same time. So every name is there here. Okay, and I'm very much excited, and I'll close my eyes to make sure that you don't feel like there is any kind of cheating. Well, I don't do it. For me, every one of you is same and special and equal. All right, so I'll just do like this, so it will be easy for you to see here. I'll just do it like this. Okay, and I'm keeping my eyes closed here. I'm keeping my eyes closed, and I'm going to pick one chit. So let me just show it to you. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first winner's name, and here it is. So let me just, okay, so this is the first winner's name. This is the first winner's name, and I'm very excited, and I know you guys are very, you know, eager to know. So this is Neha Agrawal. Guys, Neha Agrawal, congratulations Neha. And I have mentioned the phone number over here because I have 5 Nehas in my students list this time. So there were 5 Nehas. So this is Neha Agrawal. Phone number is 9920168823. Okay, congratulations Neha. You have won the first prize of 12x12 size scrapbook kit. So you can see over here, this is the first prize that you have won. And I'm going to write down your name over here. Where is my pen? Okay, here it is. So I'll just write down your name. So you have got the first prize, right? Congratulations Neha. And this is the Neha's chit. Okay, I'm just showing it to you again. This is Neha's and I'm just keeping it aside. So Neha, you're no more the part of the lucky draw, and I'm just going to show the bowl again. Second chit is going to come out. Okay guys, keep your fingers crossed and all the best. Okay, so I'm going to take out this chit. Okay, so this is the second one, and let me see who won it. Okay. Oh, oh my god, so today Neha's name is very, very lucky. So this is the second Neha. This is so much fun. This is second Neha. It's Neha Jain from Kochi. Okay, so there were so many Nehas, so I have mentioned everything clearly so we don't get confused. None of us should get confused. Okay, Neha Jain, it's Kochi, from Kochi, 9809946411. So congratulations Neha, you're the second winner. Okay, so the second prize goes to you Neha. This 6x6 inch scrapbook kit, it actually has 2 paper packs, not just one. Okay, so only the third prize is left guys. Third prize is left, which is a 12x12 paper pack. Okay, and I am very much excited. This is going to be really fun. It is going to be epic if the third winner is also Neha. Okay, so I'm just mixing it well. So okay, keeping my eyes closed, I am going to pick one more chit. So this is the third chit. Okay, sorry, this is the third chit, and let us see who won it. Okay, the third winner is Yamini V. Okay, Yamini, congratulations, you are the third winner and you have won the third prize of 12x12 inch paper pack. Congratulations Yamini. So our 3 winners are gone. The lucky draw is over now, and congratulations to all the winners. And for those who haven't win, please don't get sad because you haven't win. Obviously I know you may be feeling so let me just take out one more chit. Okay, so I'll be sending one small gift to the 4th winner. So it is not kept here, it is just doing all this, I have thought of taking out one more name. So I'll be sending one more gift to the 4th winner, and you will be getting it in your kit, in your class kit. So this is the 4th time lucky draw, and I'm just keeping my eyes closed. I'm going to pick one chit over here. Okay, so this is the 4th chit, and let me see who is the lucky winner. Okay, so this is Rishika Srivastav. Rishika, congratulations, you have won the 4th prize. So it will be a small gift from my side. Okay, nothing like a kit, but it will be a small token of love from my side. So Rishika, congratulations for winning the 4th prize. And guys, just for your sake, I'm going to do one more lucky draw. So this is the 5th winner, and I'm just mixing all the chits very well so that you guys keep your fingers crossed, and all the very best again. So I'm just keeping my eyes closed, and I'm just going to pick one more name. So here it is, the 5th name. Okay, so this is the 5th name, and let me see who has won it. So this is Sunita Konoria. Congratulations Sunita ji, you're the 5th winner, and you're going to get a small token of love from my side in your kit. So congratulations all the 5 winners. So guys, I'm not going to pick any more chit because that will go out of my budget. Okay, so 5 winners are there. So again, let me just tell the name of the winners. So the first winner was Neha Agrawal, and the second winner was Neha Jain from Kochi, and the third winner was Yamini. 5th one Rishika Srivastav, and the 4th one Rishika Srivastav, and the 5th one is Sunita Konoria. So congratulations to all the winners, and guys, thank you so much for participating, for coming over here and watch this video. Thank you so much for joining this video, and I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. So bye. Tomorrow I'll be yes, tomorrow I'll be uploading one very interesting video, and there is a surprise for each student. Okay, so it's not a big thing, but I'll be sending a token of love for every student in your kit. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video, and tomorrow I'll be uploading one video and showing you all the preparations that are going on. Actually the preparations are almost done, and just packing is going to start, and you'll be getting your kit very very soon. And thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for joining in here. Bye bye, take care.